Hey there, I just wanted to show you this great all-inclusive first aid kit, an emergency kit that I got from the brand VCan Energy. Sent this to me to check out and I'm very impressed with it. I'm so impressed, I'm going to go purchase another one for myself to go. I want this one in my truck and I'd like to have another one in my camper. It comes with all of this gear and it all fits into this great padded bag. So you get a snow shovel, and there's even an extension for those of you who are tall. I'm 5'7", so I probably will definitely be using that extension. You get a instruction manual. There's a flashlight. There's an ice scraper. This is a safety hammer with belt cutter. That's going to be very important. You've got gloves. You've got a one-size-fits-all poncho, a first aid kit, a tow rope with hooks. You've got jumper cables, and then what is the brush? A snow brush, and then you've got the warning triangles, and all of it fits in that bag. This is going to be a great item to have either in my truck, or I'll probably get one for my mom's car and get another one for my camper. This is an all-around great kit to have in your vehicle, in your camper, a new driver. It's just important to have all of these pieces in your vehicle at all times. Thanks for watching.